Hi everyone. So this is my third video for Heron's formula. In the first video we have discussed about the formulas, all the formulas related to the area of the triangle. In the second video I explained how to find out area of a triangle when three sides are given to us. This was concept number 1. And now I am going to discuss concept number 2 when ratio of the sides and perimeter is given to us. Okay? They are not giving us the sides, they are giving us ratio of the sides and the perimeter. So what to do in this type of question? I just explain you question number 1. Let x be a variable. Let x be a variable. Then sides will be 12x, 17x, 25x, right? And the perimeter is given 540 centimeters. So we will add them 12x, 17x and 25x, which is equal to 540. So on left hand side I have 12 plus 17 plus 25. 54x is equal to 540. So x will be 540 divided by 54, which comes out to be 10. Now from here I need to calculate the length of the sides. So sides will be, first side will be 12x, means 12 into 10, 120 centimeter. Side B will be 17 into 10, that means 170 centimeter. C will be 25 into 10, 250 centimeter. Check. Now this is same as concept number 1 when we have three sides and we have to find out area. So first of all, semi perimeter will be 120 plus 170 plus 250 divided by 2. Perimeter is 540, so divided by 2, 270 centimeter. Now area, same formula, area of triangle will be S 270. फॉर्मूला अगर किसी ने पिछला वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल होता है S इंटू एस माइनस ए इंटू एस माइनस बी इंटू एस माइनस सी. सो 270 minus 120, 270 minus 170 and 270 minus 250. Cut. $150, $100 and 20. As I told you in the previous video also, you don't have to multiply all these and then get the answer. Don't multiply them. Just try to split them. Split the numbers inside. If you can do prime factorization, that will also help. So 270 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 10. 150 can be written as 3 into 5 into 10. 100 can be written as 10 into 10. And 20 can be written as 2 into 10. Okay. So now we try to figure out the same numbers so that we can put them in pairs. This is same. Okay. This 3 and this 3 will also make one pair, and this 10 and 10 will also make one pair. One more thing we can do. This 10 can be written as 5 into 2. So we will get a pair for 5 also and for 2 as well, right? So all the numbers are paired. So I can write the square root as 3 into 3 into 10 into 10 into 5 into 2. So the answer is 9000 centimeters square. Fine. So quite simple, only one step is new. We need to take a variable and we have to decide the sides, add them, equate to the perimeter, find the value of the variable whatever you have taken, x, y, z, k, b, जो भी है. Find the sides and then it is same as the first time. One more question I will do for you. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio 13, ratio 14, ratio 15. So let x be a variable. Let x be a variable. So sides will be 13x, 14x and 15x. So according to the question, perimeter is 84. So 13 plus 14 plus 15x gives you 84 centimeter. Correct? (42x) is 84. So x will be 84 divided by 42. That is 2. So sides are, now you find out the sides. 13x means 13 into 2. So the first side will be 26 centimeter, centimeter. Because perimeter is given in centimeter only, that is why I will be taking centimeter. 14x, 14 into 2, 28. 15x, 15 into 2, 30. centimeter. Huh? So semi perimeter will be perimeter is 84, so 84 divided by 2, 42. This is my semi perimeter. Plug in the values in the formula. So area of triangle will be 42, 42 minus 26, 42 minus 28, 42 minus 30. So under the root of 42 into 16, 14, 42 minus 30 is 12. Again, as I told you, you need to split the numbers. Split the numbers and put them in pairs. (42) can be written as 7 into 6. 16 can be written as 4 into 4. 14 can be written as 7 into 2. And 12 can be written as 2 into 6. So let's make pairs of the same numbers. 4, 4 of course in pairs, 2, 2 pairs, then we have 6 and 6, and then 7 and 7. Okay, all the numbers are there in pairs. So 7 into 4 into 2 into 6, right? 6 2s are 12, 48 into 7 कर लो. Uh, 33. 336 centimeter square is your answer. So I hope this procedure is clear to you, and this question type is also clear to you when you have ratio of 3 sides and the perimeter with you. Next, I have written some questions. 3 questions are there. You have understood, I hope. So pause the video, solve these 3 questions, take 15 to 20 minutes in order to solve these 3 questions, and after 15 minutes you can match your answers. So I am writing the answers now. Okay, pause the video. So I hope you have solved it. After 15 minutes you can check your answer. Area of the first one should come 600 root 6 meter square. Answer of the fourth one should come 1500 root 3 centimeter square. And answer of the third one, area should come 864 centimeter square. This should be meter square because perimeter is given in meters. If you are not getting the answers, just cross check whatever mistakes you have done. Just cross check your working for the mistakes. And even if you are having some issue, you can put your query in the comment section. अगर डाउट्स हैं तो डेफिनेटली आई विल टेक योर डाउट्स एंड आई विल सॉल्व योर क्वेरीज, है ना. तब तक वीडियोस देखते रहो, लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करो एंड बेल आइकन भी प्रेस करो सो दैट यू कैन गेट नोटिफिकेशंस फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीडियोस, है ना. थैंक यू सो मच.